I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Chrome and the page you care about. Make sure you're on the exact URL and deterministic state. Once loaded, open DevTools with Ctrl+Shift+I or F12 and switch to Lighthouse. You'll select Device Emulation and the audit categories. Pick Desktop or Mobile and toggle Performance, Accessibility, Best Practices, CO, and PWA. Then choose whether to clear storage and simulate slow networks. That makes results reproducible. Now run a single audit to get baseline metrics and scores. Once Lighthouse finishes, you'll interpret the report by starting with the score and lab metrics. First, contentful paint, largest contentful paint, time to interactive, and cumulative layout shift. You should expand failing audits to read the diagnostics and the opportunities section that quantifies potential savings. Make sure to note exact resource URLs and stack traces for blocked assets. Then create an action list. Prioritize fixes that reduce load time or visual instability first, because those yield the largest user-perceived improvements. You implement fixes based on the prioritized list. Optimize images, defer or async non-critical JavaScript, inline critical CSS, and enable caching and HTTP/2. Once done, rerun Lighthouse using the same device and throttling settings to compare score deltas and metric changes. If results are inconsistent, run multiple audits and average them, or move tests into a headless CI to remove local noise. If audits still fail, check service workers, third-party scripts, and server-side timing. That usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.